Super spooky! Hey everyone! And welcome to Coloring with KiMMi the Clown! Today we're going to be coloring in my Halloween Imagine Ink coloring book! I can't wait to color some magic pictures! Let's get started! Okay, so first we need to remove our Imagine Ink marker. Oh wow, look, it came with some magic stickers to color. Let's color them in. Wow, those turned out so cute! Let's see what's on the next page. It says use your Imagine Ink marker here to see how it works. Use your Imagine Ink marker to search for and reveal hidden images. Let's color this picture up here too. Super spooky! This one says, look at each group of characters. Then draw or write the letter of the missing character at the bottom of each stack. Ooh, so it's like a pattern. Okay, so here are each of our characters. A is a pumpkin. And B is a witch. C is a piece of candy. And D is a little ghost. Okay, so let's start with this column first. So the pattern is candy, candy corn, candy, candy corn, and the missing one would be another candy. So let's put in letter C. Okay, now let's do number 2. So we have ghost, kitty, then it would be another ghost. So let's put in letter D. And now let's do our last column. So we have a round pumpkin, a tall pumpkin, a smiley pumpkin, and then another round pumpkin, and next would be another tall pumpkin. So let's put letter A. Okay, so we put letter C, D, and A. Let's see if we got it right. Yay, we did! That was really fun! Who is the scariest of them all? Connect the dots in numerical order. The character that is not crossed out is the scariest. All right, let's connect the dots. Okay, so it looks like the only one that's not crossed out is the ghost. Yep, we got it right. I thought for sure it was the skeleton. Help the witch get to her cauldron. As you move through, if you uncover a ghost, it is blocking your path and you must go back and find another way. If you uncover a kitty, you had a close call. If you make it to the cauldron without uncovering 3 cats, you win. Ooh, let's try it out and see if we can win. So we'll start at the witch. And let's see if we can get her to the cauldron. Oh no, we ran into a ghost. That means we have to go backwards and find another path. Let's try this way. Oh no, another ghost. All right, let's see if we can get there through another path. Yay, we made it! Looks like we got the witch to her cauldron. And we didn't even run into any cats. Cool. Ooh, this one is a crossword puzzle. It says color in the circles to reveal the picture clues. Use the clues to finish the crossword puzzle. Okay, let's do number 1 first. Ooh, number 1 is a ghost. And number 2 looks like some sort of potion. Number 3 is the moon, but that doesn't start with N. And it's 5 characters long. Ooh, let's try night. And number 4 is Frankenstein, but that won't fit here. Ooh, let's try monster. Yay, I I think it was monster. Let's see if we got the answers right. Yep, ghost, potion, knight, and monster. Yeah, we did. Color in the picture. Can you find the 2 cats that match? Let's see. All right, it looks like the 2 that match are C and E. Aw, what cute kitties. Okay, here's the very last page. It says color in the picture to reveal a message. Okay, here's our message. It says Happy Halloween. Aw, that's so adorable. Wow, coloring in this Imagine Ink book was tons of fun. I loved all the spooky games and pictures inside. And I can't wait for Halloween. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm KiMMi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. Have a colorful day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow, coloring is so much fun! Like this video if you like to color too! If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out my last Halloween coloring page video! And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun videos every single day! Love you guys! Bye!